Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to comment to a new expense that has been added to a group on Splitwise. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then click on the groups button down below. Select the group, click on the expense, and here you can see that you have the details, the relevant information about this new expense. And if you would like to add a comment, click on the add a comment box down below, type in your comment and click on the send button so that it will be forwarded and you can chat with your friends. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.